What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys like my new background. It's so cute. I got little cute pillows. Well, actually, these are my couch pillows, but I just put them there on my bed for a second because we're filming, so it looks cute and whatnot. So yeah, my hair literally looks like shit today. I worked all day and then I literally just put it down from a bun, put these little cute clips in, threw on this cute little sweater I got I think last year in fall from H&M, and it's so cute. It looks so much better on me because I lost a little bit of weight since last year, and like it's just so cute on me right now. I feel like last year I didn't look as cute in the sweater as I do now, so that's a good thing, I guess. So enough of me blobbering because we're never gonna get this video started. So I literally went on like a little shopping spree the other day with my hubby. Well, actually the other day meaning yesterday, and I'm filming today because I was gonna film actually last night, but then I got a little tired and smoked a little bit, and then I just didn't feel like filming, and I just watched Charlie's Angels, like the old movies that they came out with in like the early 2000s. So me and my hubby actually watched both of those movies. But yeah, I guess I need to shut the fuck up now and get started. So I'm gonna start with my little Ulta haul. I already actually kind of dipped in this morning to do my makeup with. I was gonna do like a full impression, kind of thing, but I just really wanted to use these products and I didn't have time to like film this morning, so. But I might still do like a video where I'm using like a bunch of new products that I purchased. So I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got. I got these two concealers. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in shade Fair. This is a concealer. This is like literally my holy grail concealer. I love it so much. And it's a decent size too, and it was only $6.50. So that's not bad. And I got this Milani Conceal and Perfect Long Wear Concealer in shade Nude Ivory. I wanted to try this for months now. I was going to either get this or the Maybelline. I'm probably going to go back to get the Maybelline one and buy the... I literally went to Ulta to buy freaking foundation. The NYX Born to Glow foundation or something like that. And my fucking bitch ass forgets to buy the main thing, which is the foundation. Like, how stupid can I be? So stupid. I swear, guys. Sometimes Ulta does that to me. I'll go buy something and then just get distracted by all this other shit that I bought. So yeah. Another item I purchased is the e.l.f. Ultra Precise Brow Pencil in Brunette. This is the pencil, and then it has a little spoolie thing, and I think this was only like $5. My co-worker slash friend Megan actually recommended this to me, so that's what I'm wearing on my brows right now, and so far I like it a lot. Like, especially the color is such a perfect like match for my hair, I believe. Like, I feel like it just matches my hair, like my roots, really nicely. And it's very affordable as well. The only thing I didn't like about it, honestly, is it's a little dry. Like, when you're trying to apply it, I'm more of like a creamy type of brow pencil or pomade person. But, I mean, for the price, I really like it, I guess. And then I got these two Shockwave neon eyeliners from LA Girl. I'm wearing the green one in my lower lash line right now, and yeah, let me swatch them for you guys. So that's the green, and then this is the yellow. They're super pigmented and really cute. Love it. And then I also picked up one of my favorite Perfect Precision lip liners by LA Girl in the color Sugar and Spice. I have a couple different ones, one of these, and they're really good lip liners. And I think they only cost like $2 or something like that, so that's really nice. And then this, I think this was on sale for $3, which is like super crazy cheap for eyeliner like that. And then last item from Ulta is the Catrice Cosmetics Prime and Fine anti-shine fixing spray. And you can use this before you apply your makeup, which I did both. Before I applied my makeup and after. I don't like the smell of it, and like mist is a little like harsh. But it kept my makeup in really good. Like, it did not budge. Like, you can't even tell I was at work sweating and dying. Because it just looks so good. Beautiful. So let me put all this stuff back in the little baggie. And then, what else did I get? Where else did I go? Oh yeah, I went to Target, actually. Why did I say it like that? Target, okay. Alright, so I went to Target. And I actually went there for, my tampons, because they have this really nice brand of organic tampons. I think it's 30 tampons for like $5, which is really nice price. And they have like such a little cute packaging. It comes in like little like tube thing. It has like a nice like lid, and you know, it just looks aesthetically pleasing. So I usually always just go there and buy them. And then I really wanted to buy a wine glass, like a big wine glass for my wine, because I've been recently just drinking so much wine, and this was only $2. It's a plastic one, it's not made from glass, but I personally prefer that right now because I have a little cat and he tends to jump on the table and push everything down. So at least with the plastic one, he won't break it, because he broke the other one that I had, which was a really nice one, but you know, it's broken now, so I had to buy this big thing. It's almost as big as my head. Isn't that just lovely? Literally drinking so much wine. Fancy, right? And then I also saw these. Well, actually my hubby saw these, because I've been talking about the like metal stainless straws. I've been wanting to buy like cute pair for the longest time. I was gonna actually order the Jeffree Star ones, but I hate ordering stuff online and waiting for it. So then I bought these. And it's 4 different straws. This one's so cute. And a little brush cleaner. And this was $9.99. And I love it. And I'm so excited that I have, you know, reusable, eco-friendly, no more plastic straws. So cute, right? I need more wine. Alright. And then I also went to Marshall's and picked up this cute velvet teddy jacket like this, and it has 2 different sizes. I'm gonna insert a picture of the jacket, of me wearing the jacket right over here, so you guys can see how it looks. But it was only $25, and it's so warm and cozy and perfect for fall and cold nights. And you know, honestly, I'll even like sleep in this when I'm at home because it's just so comfy. And then that's all that I got at Marshall's, actually. I feel so stupid because I was gonna buy another, like, a jean jacket that had, like, the little fur, like, on the inside. But I was just like, I don't need another jean jacket. And I'm probably gonna go back for it on Friday to buy the jacket because I wanted it. And it was only $20. And I should have bought it, but now I have to go back. So, dumb, right? And then, we went to Walmart to get a couple, like, you know, groceries and stuff, but I'm not going to show that to you guys. But I did purchase this cute, I already took this out of the packaging. Oh, let me show you guys the packaging. This little wig, that's how it's supposed to look. It was only $5.94. And yeah, I got this little wig because I plan on doing a couple different cosplays. I want to buy another wig from Walmart because I had, few different ones that were really cute and super cheap too. They're, you know, not the greatest quality, but I feel like it'll do for the price. And if you're literally only taking it for the pictures like I am, then I recommend it. And then I also saw this beautiful freaking painting, and like with the dress, like you can see it has like little fabrics to make the texture all nice, and I love it. This is like my baby. I actually have a couple more things from Hobby Lobby, because they're having 40% off all Christmas decorations. So me and hubby actually went to pick out a couple new things, a little Christmas things for the tree, since it's our first year of in our big apartment, where we're gonna buy a 6-foot tree that I'm ordering actually next week. But we bought the decorations because I just wanted to buy this stuff early, so I don't have to worry about everything like last minute around Christmas time when it gets a lot hectic. Plus they're having 40% off, so why not, you know? So I guess let me show you guys. I got these Christmas bulbs for the tree. Isn't the Christmas tree gonna look, but yeah, isn't this cute? This was originally $20, I believe. Yeah, $20. So with the 40% off, I think it came out to like $11.99, which is such a good deal for these cute bulbs. And like, there's 50 of them, so you can't even buy that at Walmart or like Five and Below or anything like that. Like, this is such a good deal. And they're so cute. They're gonna match these pillows because I actually have these pillows in my living room, so the tree is gonna match these. And yes, my husband was okay with me buying pink bulbs because he's cool like that, and I love him so much for that. For letting me actually like decorate the house the way I want it. Like, it makes me so happy, and I love him so much for it. And then we got these cute little garlands. I don't know how to say these, but this was $11.99, and then I think with the discount it came out to like $7. So we got 2 of these. They're like white ones because the tree we're getting is gonna be normal like green tree with like little frosting on it, so it's gonna like be like mostly like white too, like a snow. So then one of these, and then instead of lights, it has like a little cute like pink and blue like shine to it. So it's gonna look so beautiful on the tree. So we got 2 of those. We got this cute little Christmas topper thing. This is beautiful. Look at it. I love it. And this was $14.99, and then with the 40% off, I think it came out to like $10, I think. Something like that. I forget. But it's beautiful, and it's going to look so cute on the top of the tree. Like, how cute this is. I just needed to have it. And then we also got these cute little Christmas like things that you, like little stars. You guys know what I mean. I don't know what the fuck these are called, but they're so cute. My husband actually found these and picked them out. I was like, ah. He knows my style, and you know, like, these are so aesthetically cute. And this was only $7.99, and you get 4 of these. So with the 40% off, it came out to like $5. No, I can't do math. $5 or $4, something like that. But which is not that bad for these, and they're cute, good quality. So we want a couple of these, and then we're planning on going back to pick up more little like special ornaments, because we got this one for, you know, S, like our last name, which is Severance. So it's gonna look so cute on the tree. It's our little first ornament, and then we're gonna go back, or I don't know if we're gonna go to Hobby Lobby or like a different place where they have little like, you know, ornaments, but we want to get one of our cat, and then 2 little ornaments for my sisters, and then like a personal one. So we're gonna go back. I think that's all for this shopping haul. I went a little crazy, spent a little too much money, but that's okay. I had fun actually for once, spending all this money on like, you know, me. But yeah, I guess that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little cute shopping haul, whatever you guys want to call it. I love you guys so much, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Give it please thumbs up if you want to see more of me. And yeah, don't forget to check out my Instagram, which is Simi_Violet. And that's all. I love you guys once again, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.